up, y'all? So I'm back with a video. I'm doing a mukbang. So I'm not gonna be really talking. I'm just gonna be eating my food. And yeah. So as y'all can see, I got KFC. I got me a honey barbecue chicken sandwich. I got some mac and cheese and chicken strips and biscuits. I got me 2 biscuits. And in here I have honey and sauce. But hold on, I gotta go get milk for it. So like I said, I'm not gonna be doing that much talking. I'm just gonna eat. And yeah, we're gonna try the sandwich first.
Would you be happier to talk with the Ouija board? What is your quest? What is your favorite color?
Something to say in English this time?
Got nothing to say, huh?
You have your talk with the board?
And I got some Kool-Aid.
Is that you grunting? Was it like, yes, 2 for no? Yeah?
Walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act anti-cavity rinse for a confident feeling in your oral health. Stop imagining. Start acting.
Bags get sick too. Protection. Lysol laundry sanitizer kills 99.9% of illness-causing bacteria detergent leaves behind. Lysol, what it takes to protect.
Alice loves the scent of Gain so much. She wished they came in a fabric softener too. Say hello to your fairy godmother, Alice. Oh, and look, they've got Gain scent beads and dryer sheets too.
Mucinex, the cold and flu all-in-one and fights.
Oh, no.
Sore throat, fever, cough, sinus pressure, chest pain, sinus headache, musically body pain, all in one. Did you really need the caps lock? Mucinex.
Imagine feeling fearless when you walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act anti-cavity rinse for a confident feeling in your oral health. Stop imagining. Start acting.
This is why we no longer have to worry flushing too much toilet paper will back up our system. But Dad, Rid-X contains billions of enzymes proven to break down even paper to help keep your whole septic system healthy. For paper, grease, or waste breakdown, use Rid-X.
I don't like vegetables.
Who likes chicken nuggets? There's vegetables in the chicken nuggets. New Purdue Chicken Plus with a 1/4 cup of veggies hidden in every serving.
Imagine feeling fearless when you walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act anti-cavity rinse for a confident feeling in your oral health. Stop imagining. Start acting.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, inventor of MyPillow. Just like you, I had problems sleeping. I tried every pillow out there and nothing worked. 15 years ago, I invented MyPillow. It took me 2 years to develop because I wanted to have everything you would ever want in a pillow. I made sure that you could adjust my patented fill so you could have the exact support you need as an individual regardless of your sleep position. I also wanted a pillow that would last, so I made my pillow machine washable and dryable. I back my pillow with a 10-year warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Not only that, I do all my own manufacturing in my home state of Minnesota.
I really like the fact that it was made in the USA. I think that USA products are a better quality product. I've tried a lot of other pillows and nothing's worked like my pillow.
I'm interrupting this commercial right now to give you deep discounts, not just on my pillows, but also my mattress topper, sheets, and so much more. For example, you can get body pillows regular $89.99, now only $29.99. Or my pillow dog beds for as low as $19.99 with your promo code.
I used to think that sheets were just sheets. I got the Giza Dream
sheets, they are the most comfortable sheets I've ever had.
The Go Anywhere pillow is so easy to just roll up and take anywhere I want to go.
The Go Anywhere pillow is really comfortable, so that's what I really like. It's nice and supportive and it's nice and small.
The My Pillow topper, for the first time, has enabled me to have a cool night's sleep. I'm able to go to bed and just get rest. That's 3 inches of wonderful that's in the My Pillow mattress topper. It's just like a firm cloud.
My Pillow helps me get a good night's sleep so I can do my job in the morning.
Go to mypillow.com to get deep discounts, not just on My Pillows, but so much more. For example, you get body pillows regularly $89.99, now only $29.99. Or My Pillow dog beds for as low as $19.99 with your promo code.
For the best night's sleep in the whole wide world is mypillow.com.
Healthy Insurance Company, you mean business.
Let's watch a movie. I don't want to go to sleep yet. I'm scared. Tell Mom about the piano.
If y'all wonder why I'm watching a movie and it's weird,
Freezing. What are you doing? Go closer.
No, I don't want to go in.
You okay, baby?
No.
You just want to sit out here in the sun in the middle of the night while it's freezing.
Yes.
I'll stay out here with you. I'll get some blankets, okay? Hey, come inside. What's going on? Come out. Ah!
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What can you do? There's some noises up here, and I can't even get blanket because you're on the swing for some reason. And there's some stopping up here. And the TV is on. Jesus. I don't know what's going on. I'm crazy. So you don't remember any of this?
No.
You don't remember getting out of bed? You don't remember standing there like a total weirdo? I'm sick. Like this? Were you sleepwalking or what was going through your mind?
I wasn't. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So, what did you learn from this stuff?
I don't remember anything. I remember standing in the doorway and you pointing a camera at me. And you were all freaked out. I don't remember standing here.
You went downstairs, sat in the swing, I went to get you a blanket because you just refused to come
Fast forward,
inside.
it's where I go downstairs. I'm freaking leaving the room.
You went outside and sat in the swing, and I went inside to bring you a blanket because you refused to leave in this catatonic, weird state you're in. I don't
Did I talk to you?
I don't know, wouldn't call it talking, but I come upstairs and there's like footsteps and the TV's on. So that's maybe this kind of thing's been happening for a long time and you just never knew about it.
I don't remember anything. I know that I have nightmares all night and that.
What?
I didn't want to talk about it. Just, they were gruesome. Just leave it at that.
It's just trying to scare us.
Well, it's working. I'm scared.
You just gotta stay strong. Not let it get to you, not let it get to us. But bring in somebody else. Some exorcist or whatever. A lot of times it just gets worse. We don't want it to get worse.
No, I'm doing.
Imagine feeling fearless when you walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act anti-cavity rinse for a confident feeling in your oral health. Stop imagining. Start acting.
Whether you were born for more dance-offs, more travels, or more touchdowns, get the immune support that gives you more. Airborne gummies have 50% more vitamin C than emergency, plus our crafted blend of vitamins, minerals, and herbs. Airborne.
Psychic Source challenged real people to have a 10-minute conversation with our gifted psychics and ask the questions that we all have.
Romance, love, and about love?
I feel more optimistic and haven't felt like this in quite a while.
Psychic Source is offering live video readings.
I'm like super connected with her.
For a limited time, take the Psychic Source Challenge for as low as $1 a minute. Call 800-708-8989 or go to psychicsource.com.
Imagine feeling fearless when you walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act anti-cavity rinse for a confident feeling in your oral health. Stop imagining. Start acting.
Breathe freely fast with Vicks Sinex.
My congestion's gone.
I can breathe again! I can breathe again! Oh.
Vicks Sinex. Breathe on.
Beds get sick too. Protection. Lysol laundry sanitizer kills 99.9% of illness-causing bacteria detergent leaves behind. Lysol. What it takes to protect.
Imagine feeling fearless when you walk into the dentist. Imagine a mouthwash that strengthens your enamel while preventing cavities up to 70%. Act Anti-Cavity Rinse. For a confident feeling in your oral health, stop imagining, start acting.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, and as you know, my passion is to help each and every one of you get the best sleep of your life. That's why I created my new Giza Dreams bed sheets. I guarantee you they'll be the most comfortable sheets you'll ever own.
With the Giza Dream Sheets, I'm getting the best sleep of my life.
I do not like my sheets. I love my Giza Dream Sheets.
I started by using the world's best cotton called Giza. It's only grown in a region between the Sahara Desert, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Nile River. It's ultra soft and breathable, but extremely durable. My Giza sheets also include full 21-inch wide pillowcases that will fit over any pillow and deep pocket sheets that will fit over any mattress. I guarantee you the first night you sleep on my sheets, you'll never want to sleep on anything else.
Go to MyPillow.com or call the number on your screen right now. MyPillow Giza Dream Sheets are available in a variety of colors and will be the softest, most comfortable sheets you will ever own. And listen to this. For a limited time, when you use your promo code, Mike will send you a second set of Giza Dream Sheets absolutely free. That's 2 sets of sheets.
Okay, y'all, so
Giza Dreams are made
I'm kind of full.
sought after cotton in the world. Giza cotton was preserved for only the finest dress shirts, but is now available in Mike's Giza Dream Sheets. They feature a beautiful silky satin that helps keep you cool and comfortable all night long. Call or go online
on the next video I do.
Giza Dream Sheets.
I don't know when that's gonna be,
Use your promo code,
but
Mike will send you a second set of Giza Dream Sheets absolutely free.
I'll see y'all in my next video.
For the price of one.
Until then,
And how about
peace.
this? Just in time for colder weather, you can get Mike's new